Alright guys, I know it's been a while, but today I'm going to post a quick little video on putting in a new steering wheel. I'm going with the aftermarket, like copper, rose gold NRG wheel with an NRG hub. And I'm pretty sure, I don't remember the name brand of the adapter, but it's just cheap. Alright. Stock steering wheel for the E34 wagon. So first thing you got to do is there is two holes on the back. Let's see if I can. Yay and yay. That are Torx, and it is 27 Torx, and I ended up breaking mine, but I was able to get it with a 30 Torx head. So I don't know. There we go. Now time to take off the airbag. Make sure you have your battery disconnected and all that before you do this. You don't want to get punched in the face by an airbag. Would not be fun. Alright, get into it. Alright, once you got those two out, then there's just a, pretty sure it's just a ground, and your power neutral. And you got your volt. And I'm not sure if I'm going to need a steering wheel puller yet, but we shall see. Yep, and there's your airbag unit. It's actually quite a bit heavier than I thought it would be. It's my first time doing a steering wheel upgrade, so yeah. Good so far. Alright, here's the hub adapter. It's Kyo Star. It's like 40 bucks on Amazon. Yeehaw. Alright. That was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Here's the NRG wheel, all installed. The hub is coming in late, so I'll do a little update video when I put the quick disconnect on there, but figured may as well just throw it on there for now. I also picked up this set of screws too, so then it won't be these gray ones. That's why I threw them in there first, just in case something stripped. But yeah, that was it. Quick, easy, and painless. And the main center bolt is a 16, by the way. And the two airbag screws were Torx 27 or 30. I broke my 27, so I ended up having to use a 30. Yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe. I really do like the red stitching with it. Helps go with a lot of my red. Boom. Amazon. It's total setup plus the quick disconnect only cost 220 bucks, about 200 bucks. So yeah, nice, easy, good upgrade. I like the way it looks in here now.